Everybody have called for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. No be smart, you know. They said that even the children, even pastors, even the native doctor, even everybody have called for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release, and the federal government is paying deaf ear. This message where the people waiting for inside market don't send. They say that if the federal government do not want to release Nnamdi Kanu soon, they say they should expect them. They are going to march in numbers to make sure say Nnamdi Kanu is being released. And you know, as it be like this now, it don't happen for Africa. The federal government are trying to avoid anything like protests in Nigeria, because if it start, it don't start. Nobody fit stop. I will not be like the one where they use toss, go they stop. This one now, people roots are ready to fight the toss in other way to fight for their freedom. So I go play the video, may you watch wetin dey happen now as we dey talk. However, welcome back to Barnabas G-Sip. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel. You're highly welcome. My people, let us watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Way from Kenya, then go there, kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should release that man. They should release that man. One day we rise against the nation. We will fight federal government. One day they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are speaking bitterly because they kidnapped that man all the way from Kenya. Sunday, now they are saying Sunday boy free. Why then see only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there? May they give this man what they want. May they carry what this man want to give him. May they give him a flag. May they give him a go find a way to go. So, Igbos, may they give up. Thank you. May they give up. Because this is what they pass through now. The judiciary hand there inside.
Nnamdi Kanu come from another planet. Now we don't understand. Because I didn't say that guy is an ordinary human being. That guy no go die alive rich now. He no go feed that life rich now. But as I see that man, young man Nnamdi Kanu, that man come from another planet.
You see him being released soon with the Southeast governor pleading for his release?
Not be today. Will not be today. Because see this country, and another thing we're going to understand for this country, we say, any leg, any action, any attitude, any leg, any attitude where governor or local government chairman or anything, any House of Assembly, any movement we make, we will not conclude that until we see the end of the movement. Last, this thing now can be political concept where they just apply on them own.
So you not go work?
You not go work because we are not together. Because if what you do talk inside, if you come outside do them, you go work. But you go there inside talk funny. When you come out, and you go to do them.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is just like the God we are saying today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we are talking about now. To call him Mazi in the other way around, as if I'm insulting him. That guy has said that this country has expired.
Nigeria has
expired. And I'm seeing it. When something is expired, anywhere you touch it will be scattering. As you can see now, in this country, bag of rice is 105,000. The rice I myself have been buying 7,000. And nobody is saying anything. Ordinary transport now is 500 now is drop. How can poor man survive it? Then this man now come out and tell the country that look, we have seen that this thing is not working again. Let's say something about this. Oh yeah, let's just come in round table and talk together.
Do you feel he's being incarcerated because he says it?
Yes, you can see it. It's not only me that you see, you can see it.
Do you see his release very soon, or what they're just coming for, just political?
My brother, his release, they are using us to do politics. That's what I'm saying.
Trying to get the favor of
the masses so that they will go on 2027. They want to just do their jamborees. So the poor man on the street will believe they are doing something.
Do you see the reality of Biafra coming to pass?
Definitely, that is our hope. according to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he said that is our hope. I will believe he will do it.
Biafra must go.
He must go by me.
Reactions on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still remaining in custody?
Is very bad because I know too well. Say that man no do anything wrong. We go make him today or now. They never release that man. Even people will commit more than wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do self. They free them. Like somebody like Sunday Igbo from Yorubas. You understand? He do more than what Nnamdi Kanu even do. But till now, they free that man. And Nnamdi Kanu cannot solve this problem. Because one, when they arrested this man, carry and go court. Then from court, the man go to his house. The soldiers, Nigerian soldiers, find that man, go in house, go destroy, go there to kill Nnamdi Kanu.
No,
I'm coming. Then come there to kill the man. Why God help that man to escape from his house? They even kill some of his dog that day, and destroy a father's compound. Even that day, some people were shot with a gun. You understand? So and then go to Kenya. Then go to Kenya, all the way from Kenya. Go arrest. Then go there and kidnap that man. Oh, it's not arrest. Oh, then go to Kenya and kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? So even now, they're supposed to charge them. They're supposed to charge them for kidnapping. They kidnap that man. They kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because all the way from Kenya, then go there and kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should release that man. They should release that man. One day we will rise against the nation. We will fight federal government. One day they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are speaking bitterly because they kidnapped that man all the way from Kenya. All the way from they kidnapped that man. That is not how to arrest somebody. If you want to arrest somebody, you need warrants. You understand? You just go there and kidnap somebody. You understand? So they should leave that man. We don't see any bad thing what that man do. Even Sunday now they are said Sunday boy free. Why then see only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there?
All right, sir. Let me
problem. I don't see and say that young man no get any problem. You understand? So now just afraid of reality.
What's the reality?
The reality is for you go see something will be truth. You go look as if you want to turn it upside down. You know say truth, they know if you turn truth upside down. But I don't know, I don't just understand this country. This country is always afraid of reality. When you go see the truth, you will be afraid of to say the truth. And when you say the truth you no go last. That make everybody, when everybody come, you go to shout to talk the truth. Why you go be like this for this country? Somebody go to hungry. You go to fear to talk say they're hungry. You don't ever see that kind of thing. When somebody go to hungry, you go to fear to talk saying they're hungry. Because when you talk say they're hungry, person go from nowhere come and ask you, who asked you to say so? You know good.
And,
you know good.
And the man himself, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, fit talk through.
You know, Nnamdi Kanu come from another planet. Now we don't understand. Because I didn't say that guy is an ordinary human being. That guy no go die alive rich now. He no go fit die alive rich now. But as I see that man, young man Nnamdi Kanu, that man come from another planet.
You see him being released soon with the Southeast governor pleading for his release?
Not be today. Will not be today. Because see this country, and another thing we go understand for this country, we say, any leg, any action, any attitude, any leg, any attitude where governor or local government chairman or anything, any House of Assembly, any movement we make, we will not conclude that until we see the end of the movement. Last, this thing now can be political concept. where they just apply on them own.
So you know go work.
A clear message has been sent again for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Guys, let me hear your own opinion in comment section as they read.